How's it feel?
Gangsta.
All right, let's see this. Let's take these things for a test ride here. Oh, man.
Got a carbon fiber.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I didn't see that. Nice.
And I
The pullback riser like mine, but you got 10-inch instead of, I have 8.
All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fly and Ride here. We got an awesome video for you today. What you don't see here is Mr. Senior, Mr. Nadal. Why? Because he's out get lowered, picking up his 2020 Roadglide CVO. He has done a ton of work to it, and we're headed over there to meet him up. You're not going to want to miss this one. So that's right, Mr. Senior. Man, wait till you see what he's getting done in this bike. It's going to be pretty awesome. So we got about, I don't know, about 50 minutes on the way down there. We're just going to enjoy the ride, and I'll catch you down there. He was adjusting his camera, so I saw him slow down. He had me, no question about it. Doing a little behind the scenes action here. That's right. All right, we're almost get lowered. A little overcast, but temperature is about 49 degrees, so it was a nice ride down here. Hopefully you are enjoying some of those close-up shots. We were having a blast filming on the way down here. So I'm sure Mr. Senior is going to be there already, picking up his CVO Roadglide all done up. We're going to show you up close all the stuff he did on this bike. There he is. All right, we are here. Check out this lineup. Woo! Check out this lineup.
But I want it back. Oh, listen.
Yeah.
Before I forget.
What's that?
Want to support the club? $25 ticket.
Let's go. I got you.
Woo!
I got you.
Yeah. Me too. You? Yeah. I gotta sell them.
All right. I got you. I got you. Got to support the club for the boys.
You have cash?
I have cash. I'll give it to you now. Man, John's hit me up. I haven't even freaking got him yet.
I'm all the way down south. Who's gonna go all the way to fucking...
Hey, you want to buy a ticket? Support the club?
I'm gonna give him $100. I'm gonna go around.
All right, let's get in there and let's see what happened to Mr. Senior's bike.
I got
the Olins. What did you
I had before, I had the Legends 12-inch, and they were too hard. I liked it because it had a drop and it looked good, but it was a horrible stiff ride. So I ended up getting the 13-inch Olins.
Oh, 13-inch. Okay.
Yeah,
with the
13-inch
bracket. I
Olins.
like that. How that looks. Awesome. What else did you do? You got the Olins in the back, 13-inch.
I started getting some carbon fiber parts.
Heat deflector, carbon fiber.
I got these in carbon fiber. You know, they're usually for the CVOs, they come in chrome.
Oh, right.
I got those in carbon fiber. I got the Kraus
Yeah, that's
10-inch
nice.
pull back with the Raptor plate.
So it pulls it back 2 inches, right?
Yeah.
And 10-inch rise.
And these pull
With
back.
right. The pullback riser like mine, but you got 10-inch instead of I have 8, and you did the MX style bar.
Yeah, straight bar
Sweet.
like that. And then I put carbon fiber fender.
Hoffman Designs.
I got a carbon fiber.
Oh yeah.
that is.
Oh, I didn't see that. Nice.
And I got a carbon fiber plate here.
Oh, sweet.
And we're still waiting on the hand guards. They're going to be carbon fiber. And then
Oh
the
yeah.
dash. And the dash. And I got the center console in carbon fiber.
But you have it at home, or
No,
you waiting on it?
it's a 6-week wait.
Oh wow.
So I'm still
Okay,
waiting
got
on
you.
that.
Put the new pipes on.
And then I got the new heat shields and the new muffler.
Oh, got you. D&D, right?
It looks awesome, bro.
Need to wash this thing.
Yeah,
as
well,
soon as
I
it-
can get home today. I need an oil change.
got to get on it.
Have you even sat on it yet? Come on, man, sit on that thing.
Look, at least you put the hoses where they're supposed to be on this one.
That's
Yeah, sit on it. See how you feel.
The controls where you want them. See if you want them roll up or down or anything.
what do you, the controls. No, they're fine. When I get home, I'll
How's it feel?
How's it feel?
It feels beautiful.
Yeah.
It feels gangster.
How's it feel?
Gangster.
Hey, you can't use that. He named his bike that. Yeah.
Looks awesome, bro. Congrats, man.
I love it. Thank you very much.
He didn't tell you.
So there you have it. That's all the work done to Mr. Senior's bike. Should be coming out here now. Looks like he's doing some final adjustments, because the other thing he did was obviously that he put those rear Olins on. All right, we're off. We're gonna go check out this local spot here, get some good food. Look how bright those lights are. You could even see them from here. What a difference. All right, let's see this. Let's take these things for a test ride here. Oh, man.
It's aggressive.
Hold on a minute. Oh, yeah. Man, that feels good. They feel awesome. Man, let me tell you guys, if you don't have this setup, wow. That feels amazing. Wow, man, it feels really good. Really good. Full lock right there. Full lock right there. Check out the gauges. Sweet. CVO. You can still see the control here. Looks really, really good. Check out this. Let me give you a nice close-up here, so you can see this. Man, that feels really, really good. All right, let's eat. So the food was so good, I even forgot to show that to you, but man, that was some good food. Check it out here, Tony's in Pennsylvania. The boys Getting ready to roll out. Nice. All right, let's go find a gas station. We got to fill up. So we're gonna enjoy this nice ride back home. Great meal, great time with the crew. That's what it's all about. Do me a favor, if you like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one. Thanks for watching.